Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a onion and cheese quiche because it's nice and sunny today. But first, it's time for a cup of tea. And today's cup of tea is Yorkshire tea hard water. Which is lovely, but overpriced. Let's begin. You shall need blue tea bags to review. Overpriced. Pastry. Some backup pastry. 2 eggs. I was to use 2 onions, but actually might call for 3 onions, but I'm going to use 2. Cheese, whatever cheese you want. A pot of double cream, so I've got 300 millilitres. Butter. A greased flan or quiche tin, some ceramic beads, and some baking sheets. Oh, and let these come out of the fridge for, well, 30 or whatever it says minutes. Right, so this is apparently supposed to be 5 centimetres wider than the case. And this is clearly not 5 centimetres more. Right, so do we have 5 centimetres more? Yes. We do seem to have 5 centimetres more the other way. Let's get the world's worst rolling pin and see if we can eke this out to the edge. Hang on, why is that there recording? Right, apparently the camera decided to turn off. All I've done is just slap this in there and done a poor, actually that's a really poor job of cutting the excess off the edge. Why is that bit now down there? That bit shouldn't be like that. And there's a train going by. Right, next we're going to do the onions. We're going to do the onions in the pan. The lighting is brilliant here, and that's probably not in shot, but got 2 onions. Obviously, if you want more onions, most of the time, most people will have 3 onions in it. Let's go. What the hell? Right, this onion is, yeah, that onion obviously had something wrong with it. That skin just was mouldy. Right, let me rewash these and I'll be right back. Time just to brown off the onions. So whilst we do this, we're going to preheat the oven to gas mark 6. Maybe a frying pan would have been better for lighting. Yes. It would have been better for the actual video as well. Alright, so we are just going to get a nice colour on these onions. I've just done a selection of sizes just because I'm not very good at chopping. Right, so now we're going to blind bake. We're just going to gently all over. I have put some more pastry on there to fill out the areas I was missing. So now we just need to get some grease-proof paper. What is this? Do I really need that on there? Right, so, what? Oh, these are sheets. Okay. I was expecting to have to cut that. Okay, this way to do this. Now get your baking beads. I've just got some tallow thingy bobs. I'm going to cut this excess off. Right, so now make sure this is as filled in as possible, and this is now going to go into the oven for about 20 minutes. In the oven you go. As I'm doing that, I did keep that too long, so I did almost burn some of these. You do not want to burn your onions. You want to make sure they're a nice colour like that. Obviously I've got loads to do. I am happy with how my onions are looking, so I'm now going to turn them off. I've got a few bits which are underdone, a few which are over, but that's the way I like it. If you like it more even, you just need to cook better than I do. Right, now it's time to beat the eggs and the cream together. So, did I? Oh, I forgot it. Every single time I'm on camera, I get bits of eggshell. That's with two hands as well. Off camera, I never get bits of eggshell on there. Right, so let's beat these together slightly. Now we need to start adding our double cream, which freaking hell. Start at. Okay, maybe I should have whisked this in. Double cream wasn't this thick last time I did anything like this. You're supposed to whisk it in gently, but I can't do that if it's not going to come out. Extra thick double cream. Okay, maybe I didn't get extra thick last time. Now it's time to grate your cheese and add half the cheese in. And actually I didn't give you any measurements, so I've used about 150 grams of cheese. So this should be the filling now ready. But I'm going to add a bit more. And by the way, this cheese can be any cheese you want, really. I don't think it matters. Just use the cheese you want. So if you like mature cheddar like me, I think I've got 3 lots of mature cheddar in there. One I was using up in 2 different, one farmhouse and one very mature. Right, so I'm just waiting for the case now. Right, so I was not expecting that to shrink like that. Okay, well, this needs to go back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Right, so I suppose we'll try and fit it and see how it goes. Yes, so because of that edge, that's about as much as I can put on that. Right, so let's hope cheese on top will. Oh no, that's going down the edge. Dear oh dear. Okay. So this needs to go in for 20 to 25 minutes, but I've got a feeling it's a bit of a it's a bit of a fail. Right, I'm going to stick this in now. Right, we're a few minutes in. It's kind of looking okay. Right, so yeah, that seems to have come out okay. I just need to leave this to cool, and then this cake tin will push out the centre, so see how we did then. Let's wait for it to cool. Right, so that is lovely. Yeah, it appears I haven't. It's off. So obviously I have got a spillage problem. I think next time I'll just put all the cheese in with it. Let's cut that in half and see how we did. Yeah, that looks good. Let's give that a go. Right, now let's give that a taste. So, yeah, I can taste the beautiful onions. All the cheese I put in there. That's really nice. It's a bit greasy. It would be my only. Well. Yeah, it's a bit greasy. I think that's my only takeaway from that. That's actually come out much better than what I thought it would. Right, camera, when I'm summarising, please don't crash. So, it's a bit greasy. My pastry shrunk, so I've probably used the wrong pastry. But other than that, that was really nice. Recommend that. Not actually too hard to do, it's just you need a lot of space, and it does make a lot of mess, which is kind of normal for that. Give it a go yourself and let me know how it turned out. Okay, bye.